Hi, it's 2018. There's a hype in programming. So you wanna know what is top 10 reasons why you should learn programming? Then let's get started. Hold on. Before moving on, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notifications once I release my new videos. And let's jump into it. The first reason is coding develops structure and creative thinking. So what do you mean by that? When you give a problem to a programmer, so he will divide the problem into small chunks or small pieces, workable pieces. Then he will find the solution and approach to each small piece of the problem, and he will solve each piece of the problem and he will totally solve the problem. So this is the approach how the programmer will solve the problem. Do our normal people will use this type of approach to solve the problem? No, right? This type of problem solving skills will be improved by the programming. So next reason is programming makes things easier to you. What do you mean by that? Let's say you have a fan or a tube light, or you want to automate. So you can use the program and you can just say like, hey Google, turn on the fan or turn on the light, and it will switch on the light or fan. So basically, what's the idea behind that? So there's a natural language processing that Google does, and then it will see what is the user's query, and based on that it will take the action. So you don't have to go and switch on all the lights and fans and all. You can automate everything. Today, there are lots of things that you can do using programming. The third reason is program teaches you persistence. So what do you mean by that? When you learn computer programming, you will see problems in a light of solution. That means you will try to solve using different type of solutions. You will use one solution that may work properly, or it may work half the way. You will try another solution, and you basically try everything. What you can do, everything you will try, and you will solve the problem. So main goal is to solve the problem. So your mind works like you will think out of the box. You will think in all the way, and you will get the solution. This is how you will do. And even programmers have to think logically about the problem. And this will also increase your logical thinking capacity. The fourth reason is it improves interpersonal skills. When you do coding or programming, if you are a developer and in a corporate life, you will be in a team. So what happens in a team is, and there are you have your colleagues, co-workers. So if you encounter any problem, you will try your best, but still you are stuck, then you will take help in a proper manner. So you will ask your colleague, and he may help, or he may give some ideas to solve the problem, or you will ask the manager, or you will take the suggestion from other people, maybe from other team. This is how it works. So it will also improve your personal interpersonal skills, like communication skills and how you behave in a corporate life. And you will end up by solving the problem in a correct time. That means there will be a deadline. Within that, you will solve the problem with the help of your co-workers and many other resources. And fifth reason is it creates career opportunities. There is a lots of jobs for programmers or coders. The new fields like data science or machine learning, AI, everything needs coding. There is a huge hype in the coding section in 2018. The average salary of a programmer in Bengaluru is 5.8 LPA. It varies from 3.2 to 10 LPA. So based on the company and the job profile. So you can see the hype in the programming in the corporate world. You can learn. And the next question is how you can learn programming. If you want me to make a video on that, please comment in below. And the next reason is freedom. You don't have to go to any of the company and seek for the job. If you are a good programmer and if you have a good portfolio or profile, then you can do freelancing. So what do you mean by freelancing? Freelancing is nothing but you will take project from clients, you will build a portfolio and you will take project from them, and you will solve the projects or you will do the projects and within the deadline and give it to them, and you will take some fees for that. So it will make you independent. And the next point is teamwork make the dream work. You heard right? Yes. So as I told, in a corporate life, if you are in any of the companies, then you will be assigned to certain tasks. So you will do only a part of some projects, and you will be in a team, and you can discuss any of the things with your colleagues, or and you can even have fun, and you can go for a party if on the successful of the projects and all. So it will be in a team, and you will be a team player, and even you can be a manager or head of the team. You can lead the team, and this is an advantage. You will become a very good team player, and because of learning programming. So the next point is job satisfaction. So if you do, or if you solve any of the real world problems, then you will have a satisfaction in a way that you have solved some problems that people face. For example, if you solve problems like you design an app for people who don't want to go for a restaurant and buy food online, like Food Panda. I'm not promoting any of the vendors or something, or Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats. Or let's say you designed an app for online e-commerce site and all. So you will have the satisfaction that you design you work on the cutting edge technology, and you make a wonderful product, and people use that and people benefit from that. So this will definitely give you a satisfaction, right? Yes. Our next point is you will never stop learning. That means if you are a programmer, then there will be change in each and every technology and all. So you will learn new technology, new programming language or something, or a new framework each and every week or month, whatever. So you will go through that, and you build products and all. So you will learn new things as fast as possible if you learn programming. And one more thing is, if you learn one language, then it is easier to learn another language. For example, if you learn Hindi, and it is a little bit easier to learn Punjabi or Bengali, right? Like that. If you learn one programming language, then it will definitely help you to learn other programming languages. And next point is, there is a less work and more importance for programmers. For example, if you are in an industry, like you design some algorithm and you implement those algorithms, then if you have only you have to focus on that work only. You don't have to sit 12 hours or 10 hours in an office and you have to do work, or you have to give support for the clients and all. You don't need to do that. You have to finish your work within the deadline. That's it. You may work in your home or something. On some companies, they don't care where you work, but what they all need to, the work need to be done. That's it. So if you do your work within the deadline, then it's right. You have that capability, and you don't need to go and you can do your work whenever you want. That's it, all guys. What do you think about programming and why you need to learn? If you have any other ideas or if you have any other reasons, please comment in the below. If you like my video, then I told you right, go ahead and subscribe. That's it. You did that. I hope you did that. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.